Well, I think another problem us as agents is that we get these tools and then we get all bent out of shape because they're not working correctly for us. But in my book, I'm like, hey, you know what? First of all, you got to get it set up right. And then if you do, and you have a boo-boo, you know, or it's sending out, in Arizona, they call it UCB, but it's active with contingencies. They're really under contract, but, you know, it does send agents get their pants in a twist over that. And I'm like, hey, this is your opportunity to reach out to these people and tell them that home's not on the market. That's why you need me. Stop going to Zillow because it's not going to be active over there, you know?
Right.
Don't get your panties in a twist over it, but get the tools working for you the best they can and be glad something's going out, because if you weren't doing anything, there'd be no way they would ever find you again, you know,
right.
Especially if you're doing ads on Facebook and Zillow. If you don't start hitting them with stuff, they will never find you again. You know, you want to be there when they're ready, and you can't assume anything about these leads until they tell you to get lost, really.